Cryptocurrency is a digital form of money. It is designed to be secure and, in many cases, anonymous. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies are not issued by governments or financial institutions. They operate on a decentralized system called blockchain. Think of cryptocurrency as virtual money that exists only online. It's like digital cash you can use to buy things or send to people. Cryptocurrencies use cryptography for security. This makes them difficult to counterfeit or double spend. Because cryptocurrency is decentralized, no single entity controls it. This makes it resistant to censorship and government interference. Anyone with an internet connection can use cryptocurrency. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies available today. The most well-known are Bitcoin and Ethereum. While Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, Ethereum has expanded the technology further. These cryptocurrencies have gained significant popularity and value in recent years. Blockchain powers cryptocurrencies. It acts as a digital ledger recording transactions across a network. Imagine it as a public record book everyone can see but not alter. Transactions are bundled into blocks. Verified blocks are added to the blockchain. Once added, blocks cannot be changed. This ensures transparency and security. Blockchain can revolutionize industries beyond finance. Its applications include supply chain management, healthcare, voting systems, and more. Bitcoin, created in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto, was the first cryptocurrency. Its purpose was to create a decentralized digital currency. Ethereum, launched in 2015, is a blockchain platform. It enables smart contracts and decentralized applications, or dApps. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most popular cryptocurrencies. They paved the way for thousands of other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is seen as digital gold. Ethereum is a platform for innovation. Section 4. How cryptocurrency transactions work. Cryptocurrency transactions involve transferring digital assets between different parties. These transactions are recorded on the blockchain and are secured using cryptography. To make a transaction, you need a cryptocurrency wallet. A cryptocurrency wallet is like a digital bank account where you store your cryptocurrencies. You can send and receive cryptocurrencies using your wallet address, which is a unique alphanumeric string. When you initiate a transaction, it is broadcast to the cryptocurrency network. Miners who are specialized computers on the network then verify and add your transaction to a block. This process is called mining. Once the block is added to the blockchain, the transaction is confirmed and considered complete. Cryptocurrency transactions are typically faster and cheaper than traditional bank transfers, especially for international payments. Section 5. Benefits and risks of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency offers several benefits over traditional financial systems. First, it is decentralized, meaning it is not controlled by any single entity. This makes it resistant to censorship and government interference. Second, cryptocurrency transactions are secure and transparent. The use of cryptography and the public nature of the blockchain ensure the integrity of transactions. Third, cryptocurrencies can facilitate faster and cheaper transactions, especially for cross-border payments. However, cryptocurrencies also come with risks. The value of cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, subject to rapid fluctuations in price. This volatility poses risks for investors and traders. Additionally, the lack of regulation in the cryptocurrency space raises concerns regarding fraud, scams, and money laundering. It's important to be aware of these risks before investing in or using cryptocurrencies. Section 6. The future of cryptocurrency. The future of cryptocurrency remains uncertain, with both opportunities and challenges on the horizon. Governments and financial institutions are increasingly exploring the potential of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, are being considered by countries worldwide. Regulations surrounding cryptocurrencies are evolving as governments seek to balance innovation with consumer protection. The adoption of cryptocurrencies is likely to continue growing as more businesses and individuals recognize their potential benefits. However, the widespread adoption of cryptocurrencies will depend on addressing concerns related to volatility, regulation, and security. Overall, the cryptocurrency landscape is constantly changing. Its future will be shaped by technological advancements, regulatory developments, and the evolving needs of the global economy.